In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a repeater and connect to data in Wix 2026 guide. A repeater is one of the most reliable ways to present dynamic content with a clean, consistent layout. It duplicates a design you create and applies it to every entry in your database. So you design once and your site scales beautifully. Start in the Wix editor. Open the Add Elements panel using the plus button on the left, go to the List category and choose Repeaters. Pick a design that matches your brand, then drag and drop it onto your page. You can resize the repeater and position it within your section just like any other element. Think ahead about how many items you might show in a row and how this will look on mobile. A simple, flexible layout is usually best. With the repeater selected, click Manage Items on the floating panel. You'll see the first item highlighted. Build your layout inside this first item by adding elements such as text, images, buttons, or inputs. Style everything here: fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment. The key benefit is automatic replication. Whatever you add or style in the first item instantly mirrors across all other items in the repeater. If you need uniform spacing, use the repeater's internal margins and padding so each item stays perfectly consistent. Next, set up your data. From your site dashboard, open the Content Manager and create a new collection. This collection works like a database or spreadsheet for your site. Add fields that reflect the information you plan to display, choosing appropriate field types like text, number, image, or URL. Clear field names make mapping easier later, and consistent data types help prevent display issues. You can add a few sample rows so you have real content to test with. Head back to the editor and select your repeater. Click the Connect to CMS icon, the small database symbol. Choose your dataset. If you don't have one yet, create a new dataset and link it to the collection you just made. Now map each element inside the repeater to its matching field. For example, connect a text element to a title field, an image element to an image field, and a button to a link field. As soon as these connections are in place, the repeater pulls in one row per item, automatically populating your design with live data. That's it for this walkthrough. With your repeater connected to your collection, your site will update as your data grows. No extra design work required. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.